Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll take you through the steps I follow when I edit video in Canva. I use Canva to edit my poetry videos. I have a YouTube channel where I share the poems I write. So I use mostly Canva to edit those videos. So what I do is first select a poem to record. Then I do a voiceover on my phone's built-in voice memos app. I have an iPhone 11 which has a pretty amazing voice recorder. Then I upload that voice clip onto my Google Drive. Next step is to open the laptop and Canva editor. I use the videos option that says 1920 by 1080 pixels for my YouTube videos. Basically what I do is create slides with a background and then add the text of the poem. Sometimes I choose a static background and keep the same background through the length of the video. Sometimes I change the background for each slide. Sometimes I choose a video background. It all depends on how I want to do at that moment. So today I'm going to choose a static background and going to keep it the same through the entire video. To choose the photo for your background, you can either go to the photo tab on the left side of the editor and find one that you like, or you can also get more photos from the Pexel and Pixabay app which is integrated in Canva. To get to those apps, go down, click on the More tab with the 3 dots option there. Now, under Apps Integration, you will find Pexel and Pixabay. I'll add the text first and then voice clip later. I'm going to copy and paste the entire poem like this. I play around with the font and size of the text and choose something that I find appropriate. This poem is originally published in my Medium account. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description box below. I will also leave the link to my other YouTube channel where I share poetry and musings. Once the text is complete, I'll upload the audio clip from my computer to my Canva account. Then drag and drop the clip to the editor. Now this is a little tedious work to match the timing of the audio clip with the video clip. This is mostly trial and error. With a little back and forth, I got it correct. You can change the time of each of the slide by clicking on the timer up here. So I realized the audio is not audible in this video. I'll leave the link to the final video in the description box and also in the cards on the top right corner for you to check out. Next, I'm adding the background music. So this is a new feature in Canva where you can add more than one audio clips in the same editor. Now I'm adjusting the background music's volume here so that it won't distract my poem recitation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Stillness. Stillness extends its cold hands across the room from one wall to the other, stretched like the strings of a guitar ready to create music, filling the space. Molecules eager to vibrate, touching the being. Stillness expands in my imagination like petrichor, that lingering scent of rain from last night, summoning memories to come out and play, that's nestling safely in the past folder of mind. Stillness calms mind and body equally of the pain that drops in with no invitation like a nosy neighbor. A sigh of relief, the sound of stillness. The music of stillness, isn't it exquisite? My heart sings to this tune, silent to my ears. And when it's time to depart, stillness still reverberates in my mind. Thank you.